got to teach a moment. If you're driving stick, the one thing I tell you is let the clutch out and just let it go. Don't try to ride the clutch. Don't work.
That, folks, was your off-road consulting tip of the day.
It's about to get crazy. It's about to go down. It's about to get crazy. It's gonna be loud. It's about to get...
All right, let me go. I gotta move, I think, so. You guys all right, or you just...
Oh yeah, he's just getting himself out of a little pickle.
Okay. Keep it.
Two big rocks. You got a big rock right here. And they start on it. Keep it right the way it is.
Nice and slow, nice and slow.
Now, the driver.
Yep, just straighten it out. Just see if you can stick with it. See if it'll climb.
Nice steady throttle.
You're climbing, you're climbing.
Go, driver. There you go. You got it.
May kick you over, actually. Now straighten out. Nice and slow. Keep coming like that. Hold on 1 second. All right, there you go. So keep coming like that. Nice and slow. Coming down. You're going to climb in your back. Try to go past it. Looks like you're grabbing past it. Try to turn passenger. Looks like you were grabbing better that way. Just so you may have to back up and just bump yourself up on that rock a little bit. Just a little bump. You're talking about, a foot. There you go. You got it.
Now, just like that. Keep going. Just like that. There you go. Now drop straight down. There you go. Just like that.
Just like that.
You're good. Got it.
Nice. Turn, straighten your wheels out. Just like that. Come in like that. Once you climb, start turning. Yep. Keep it. Straighten out as you climb. Nope. Straighten out. Go passenger. And if you can turn passengers, you're climbing like right up this rock. You just want to go over it. So as you start, try to do that. Right there you go. You're good, keep coming. Straighten it out. Go a little bit, passenger, a little bit. Clear your back. You're up. Nice.
Like that. There you go.
Nice and slow.
Keep going. Nice steady pace going.
Come a little bit driver. Come a little bit driver. If you can. Yeah, right there.
Now go. Yep.
Keep coming.
Go driver back up a little. Now faster. Like that.
Nice and easy, nice and easy. All right, nice job. All right, James, I was going to hand this off to you. You don't mind? No. That'd be okay. All right. Take care.
I don't know, what do you think?
I'm thinking he might fit. Yeah.
Yeah, give it a try. Back up a little. There you go. Turn passenger and back up. A little bit more. Back up a little more. Passenger. There you go. Keep it rolling. Turn passenger. Turn passenger a little bit. Almost had it. Now, okay, try the same line again. Go past there a little bit. Right there. Hey, come front. There you go. All right, hold on. Back up again. Back up. Right there. Stop. Hold on. Back up more.
What just fell down?
Now, back up a little bit more. Right there.
Hey, what was that?
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Hold up. Just bump stop. Take a little bit of a run at it, not real hard. Go ahead. Just the way your wheels are. There you go. All right, we're gonna try this way. Just like that. There you go. Driver. You got it. Looks good. Straighten it out. All right, come on. Back up. Yep. You got it, Joe. There you go. There you go, drive. Now go. There you go. Keep it rolling. Straighten it out. Keep going. Now go driver. Go up to the left. There you go. Yeah, I know, right? Try steering with 40. What are those? 37? There you go. Just keep rolling it just like that. Keep going. Oh, you got it. Got it. Just like that. Straighten it out. Keep going. You got it. rolling. Hold on. Straighten out the wheel, back up a little. Okay, turn passenger. There you go. Now, back up a little bit more. Right there. Now, hard driver as you're going front. There you go, just like that. Now go front. There you go, straighten it out. Straighten it out. Start sliding. You're going to go faster. There you go, nice and too hard. There you go, you got it. Make sure you take your lockers off when you get over that. Straighten it out. Nice job. Good. You guys all right? We'll get you up through.
Well, I'm high centered on the rear deck.
Come in. Oh, gosh. Let's see where we're at. All right, you're good. Hold on. All right. Nice and slow back. And hold on. Turn driver. There you go, just like that. Nice and slow back. A little bit more. Skip your winch stuff. I got the other stuff. Hard driver, just like that. Nice and slow. There you go. Straighten it out. You're good. Straighten it out. Just like that. Keep it just like that. Just turn down driver then, okay? All right, go ahead. Go. Oh, you're good. Turn fast. Well, your tire will be against that. Nice steady pressure. Yeah. Let it work. All right, just like that. Like the rock, you got it. Listen, you're good. Just stay like that. Go driver. Remember I told you about calling driver? Now just a little bit more. Okay, do it again. It's not going to go anywhere. Trying to get your foot down so you're fast. Here you go. Yeehaw! All right, hold on. Slide razor go in front, yep. A little bit more. One side. Tell you what, hold on. Yep. You know what? We're going to throw your winch out. We're going to throw your tree up here. Yep. I'll release it. I'll do the work. Just stay there.
it is?
Yeah, keep your tire right where it's at. Go driver. Turn driver. Driver. Driver.
Hey, did you hear that?
Just let the winch work. A little bit of throttle, let the winch work. Driver. That side's gonna come down. Stay to where you are. Give a little bit of throttle. Just keep coming. We'll get you over this rock right away too. All right, hold up.
Go a little bit further, yeah, there, and make the turn once your front clears that rock. You might hit your control arm there. Yeah, you back up. Go, yeah. From there, try to go hard passenger.
Forward or back?
Forward. Hard passenger. See if we can get you over. I think you'll clear it if you go hard passenger. Now turn driver. Yep. Stick.
There you go, back up. Hard passenger, you got it.
Yeah, now go hard passenger.
There you go.
Yeah, you'll clear that rock. Go hard.